Oh my god, you guys, it's been a hot minute. Okay, I got a bunch of packages in the mail over the weekend, and 2 of them, actually, like, all of them are they all clothing? I think they are. We love to see it. Anyways, one of them is a PR package from Naked Wardrobe. I freaking love Naked Wardrobe, and I'm so happy that they're just as obsessed with me because, you know, like, you love when the feeling is mutual. And then one's from Boohoo. You guys know, Courtney, this is not sponsored, by the way, by anybody, okay? I just want to open these packages with you. But once I saw that Kourtney Kardashian is doing a collaboration with Boohoo, I was like, yes, please. So I went and spent not even that much. Like, there's a shirt and pants for like 15 bucks that I bought. 15? Okay, yeah. So I was like, please add to cart. So I am excited to try them all on. And then I have this Amazon Basics sweater, crew neck, like half zip thing that was screaming at me from Pinterest. And I was like, I hear you, my God, add to cart. So I'm gonna put this on right now. And then I'm just gonna open every package and go through it and try everything on with you guys. First impressions, let's freaking do it. Okay, hold on. Okay, you focus on me. Okay, so don't look at my dress. Can we talk about Finn in the background being in an absolute mood? Yeah, for you, Bookie. He's literally the star of his own music video, and that's at least one thing he gets from me. Okay, so this is the crew neck. It's an Amazon Basics. It is a small, oversized. I wanted to get a medium, but I read the reviews and everyone's like, no, like, it's true to size. Get your normal size. Okay, so I probably should have gotten a medium. What is that? Oh my God, I lost an earring. It's fine. Oh, earrings are from Amazon too. Yeah, no, we need it to be a little bit baggy. But hey, if you are not an oversized girly, it's not bad. Wear it with some leggings, tall socks, and some tennis shoes. Stop, but I'm gonna get a medium. Okay, this is the one from Boohoo. Did I just do the Yahoo song with the Boohoo? So it's got pearls sewn into it like this. It also comes in black. And I just love the blue. I'm gonna have to see. I have some white strap-up heels, like gladiator style, and I think that's gonna be a perfect match. This cropped button-up. This is gonna be so cute. I think this is like stupid affordable too. Size 8, by the way. So for some reason, this is a size 12, which means it's definitely not gonna fit, but this is a bone corset top. I will have to return. And I'm bummed about that because I got the matching leather leggings. I'm so done. I'm not done. The faux leather pants. I got the matching faux leather pants to go with. And these are gonna be too long, I can already tell. But if they're worth it, I don't have a pair of leather pants for the season, so I'll just keep these bad boys.
I'm hopeful, yes I am hopeful for today.
These are the $15 things. Maybe, I think the pants were 15. If not, they were like 16 or something. Very affordable. Oh, I got the skirt. So yeah, it was like 15. This is the midi skirt. It's like, look, it's angelic print. It's very Roman, very Italy. It's giving Kourtney and Travis's wedding in Italy, okay? Definitely. See-through, so I have black high-waisted underwear I'm gonna wear with it. And then I'm gonna assume that the top is also see-through. I have a black high-waisted swimsuit and then the matching top. That's what I wear. I saved that thing. I don't really wear high-waisted swimsuits anymore, but I saved that for outfits like these. Oh, this shirt says love. Love forever. Okay, moving on to Naked Wardrobe, which is a dream. Like, this is not sponsored by them at all whatsoever. This is a dream though. To even be on their PR list, I can't. Like, I love them so much, and I am just, like, I have butterflies right now, okay? 2 packages. They have a new line that just dropped, and decided I was cool enough to send some. Oh my God, yes. Is this a set? Loving this color, okay. No way, there's a sweater or something. Oh my God, I already know this is gonna be so cute. Let's open this. I already know it's gonna be so soft. I'm right, of course. Ah! It's a cropped turtleneck, chunky sweater. I am in love. It is literally the softest thing. Oh my God, this is so extra. Oh my God, you guys. This is velvet. Oh, hey. Oh, yeah. This is gonna be so good for a Christmas party or some type of vibe. Do you wanna see my face? Of course you do, it's me. Okay. Ooh, yeah, this is already my style, I can tell. Hot. I'm like geeky right now. This is a basic little dress. I have plans tonight and I'm kind of like, should I wear this? And it's naked wardrobe too, so you know it's like, it's gonna look so good on. I cannot wait. Oh, pretty. So this is not velvet. I thought it was. I totally thought this was velvet, it's not. These are just some pretty plum colored leggings. A little mock turtleneck. Mini? Okay. Oh, this is like, it's faux leather? Spit it out, Alisha. Yes, I was not expecting this. These are leggings, obviously. Bro, I'm trying to decide if I put something on tonight. And then this is sexy. It's like a little corset top and it's split right here. It's got a zipper in the back. Oh my god, this is gonna be hot. That's everything I got from Boohoo, Naked Wardrobe, and Amazon. So I'm gonna put everything on in the morning and show you guys how it turned out. I'm excited. But right now, I gotta go get ready for my hot date. So I'll see you later. See you in the morning. Bye guys.